If you are facing a problem viewer save password in Password Manager, don't worry, there is a simple way to fix it. First, open the Password Manager page on your device. If an error or issue appear, look for the Settings option, tap on it. After opening Settings, scroll down and find the Learn More option. Tap on it. After that, scroll down and tap on it. A page related to google.com will appear. You may see text such as powered by Google. Click on the Google option. Now a new page will open. To continue, you will need to verify your identity. Enter skin lock, PIN, password or fingerprint depending on your device settings. Once verify is complete, you will be able to view your saved password and account information stored in Password Manager. This method helps many users access their saved password easily and securely. Make sure to keep your password private and never share them with anyone. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.